Morning, everybody. Y'all ready to come out? Y'all ready to come out for the day? Okay, back up. Okay, everybody, come on. Let's go. There you go. I got some treats for you. I got some treats for you first thing. Hey. Here. I gave them worms. And for a good morning treat, and they seem to be loving it. Here, Amy. That's my brother's chicken right there. She's a couple of years old. All these babies are about 6 months old. Hold on. I'm gonna go fill up your bowl in a minute. Okay, I'll fill up your bowl in just a second.